Hello everyone, this is Khushbu, and before starting, if you are watching my videos for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon button so that you don't miss out any updates from me from now on. Now, let's talk about what today's video is going to be. It is about how you style your footwears with your clothes. Yes, you heard it. This is one of the most requested video that I got, and I thought of doing it because why not? It is a very good idea to show you how you guys should style your shoes with your clothes. Now, let me tell you one thing that styling your shoes totally depends on which kind of occasion you are going to and how you are styling your accessories. So we'll be knowing that how a footwear will make bring a change to your outfit and to your styling game. So from now onwards, you will be seeing my videos, my styling game and my styling pattern, and I will be telling you how I actually made a change with a little bit of accessories and footwear to actually change my styling game from one occasion to another. You will be seeing my videos which I have recorded to show you that I wore the same outfit but in a different method and change and how my footwear make a difference in that one. So make sure to watch this video till the end and know everything about it. So let's start.
You can see that here I'm wearing a very casual t-shirt and paired it with my white jeans and shoes. Shoes are a great way if you are looking for any casual wear look, if you want to be comfortable in your clothes and just go out somewhere and hang out with your friends or go to college. Anywhere you want to make your look casual, wear shoes and transfer your look. In this one you can see that I am wearing the same outfit but in a different way. I have tucked my t-shirt and I have lowered my pony, paired them with a good Indo-Western earrings, shell earrings that are very much in trend, and I have paired them with my block heels and it looks so amazing and so different. If you are planning to go out on a lunch date with your girls and don't want to look more casual, just wear block heels and you are good to go. Now let's come to pairing up your top rather than your t-shirt. Here I am carrying a bag and it gives a more office look and a college look as well by wearing your bellies. So wear bellies if you are wearing a very cute little summer top. Now here I'm wearing heels and it is a great look if you are going to any day out party or if you are celebrating a friend's birthday or if you are going to office as well. So if you don't want your look to be somewhat casual, wear heels and spice up your look altogether. Now let's come to styling a shirt. Here I'm styling a shirt in a very shirt like pattern and so I have paired them with shoes to give it a more casual look and not a very to more a casual look and a funky look and not a very simple look to it. So make a high bun or just tie your hair loose and wear your shirt in a loose form, with just like the type I am wearing it here, and pair it with your contrast coloring shoes or the same color shoes and make your look more comfortable and casual and amazing all at the same time. So if you are a shirt lover, make sure to style it with more of shoes and not any other pair, though you can style it with other footwear as well, but it will look more great if you wear shoes with it. So now here I'm styling shirt in a different pattern. I'm styling shirt as a top, so I'm wearing it not with shoes but with slip-ons. If you have any kind of slip-ons with you, just wear them and make your shirt looks very much different from the one that people wears every day. Here you can see that the look, you cannot say that I'm wearing a shirt here, but I'm wearing a shirt and the shirt looks so like a top. So make sure that you style your earrings or your choker set with this style. And here you can also wear bellies if you want, if you are comfortable more in bellies, or you can wear any kind of slip-ons that you have at your place and you can wear any kind of slippers. And just keep in mind that if you are wearing a shirt in a different pattern, do not make it look more casual, rather make it look a little girlish and pretty. Now let's come to styling some ethnic wear. Here I'm styling a salwar with my Jaipur looking footwears, so and a top. So this one looks very cute, and if you are going to college or if you are going to hang out just for shopping or just a chilling day for you, these jutis, any kind of Jaipur looking jutis looks good if you are wearing any kind of ethnic or traditional wear. So make sure that the outfit is not a party wear or glittery in look, otherwise it won't go well with it. So wear a casual jutis with your traditional outfit. Now here I'm styling again a salwar but in an Indo-Western look. So I have paired them with a more, not a very like traditional look kind of a chappals, but I am wearing very cute little slippers that pair up with my tube top, and these look so good if you are into Indo-Western styles. Make sure that you wear traditional slip-ons and not the Western ones. Now let's style a kurta set. Here I am wearing it for a very casual purpose, like if I am going out somewhere to meet my relatives, or if I it is a occasional, like if it is an occasion like Rakhi or anything that you have. So make sure that you wear the slippers and flat slippers that are somewhat glittery in sense, so that your look does not look a very casual one, but it looks pretty and good. If you are wearing any kind of traditional kurti or kurta set, try to pair up your look with the good kind of earrings and wearing your dupatta in a different pattern. Here I am wearing the same salwar suit, same suit, pant suit, but in a different pattern. And here I have styled it with my heels and long earrings, so that it looks more party wear and not a little on not usually like the one that you go out on a little occasion. So this one you can wear if you are going to a wedding or to a reception or to an engagement party or to anywhere, like if your friend is getting engaged or anywhere. Try to wear heels rather than wearing any kind of glittery chappals or slip-ons or jutis, because heels gives more ethnic and traditional look if you are going to a very good wedding. Also pair your look with a very stylish wedding hairstyle.
Hope you all have understood my styling game and how I style my outfits, how I style my footwear with my outfits, and hope you have understood how you should go ahead with that one. If you like my video, please do share it with your friends and family to let them know how a footwear can absolutely change your styling game. And subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you shower your love on me so that I can make more such videos and provide more such useful content to you guys. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and stay home. Bye bye.